So my dear all, from question number 10, we are in trouble dealing with complementary and supplementary angles. From number 10. In question number 10, we dealt with complementary angle. Okay, complement. Find the complement. Okay. In number 11, we dealt find the supplement. Okay. When we come back to number 12, we dealt over here find are the following pair of angles complementary. So we have to prove that the 12 and 13, we have to prove that whether the angles are complementary or supplementary, isn't it? We have to prove that the angles are complementary or supplementary. Okay, while in number 14 we have the word problems. So why 14 is important? Because we have word problems over here. If we work together, we needn't to get worried whether we have word problems or whatever problem in our life, isn't it? So let's go back to number 14. If 3x plus 18 degree and 2x plus 25 are supplementary, means they have given you two angles A and B. Once they have given you two angles A and B, and they have also asked you, they have given you that they are supplementary. So what we need to do? We will be writing in this way: if they are supplementary, then their sum should be equal to 180 degree. So according to question, 3x plus 18 degree plus 2x plus 25 degree should be equal to 180 degree, isn't it? I'll not mention that they are equal to 180 degree. Let us find the sum. So according to question, sum will be equal to 3x should be equal to 180 degree. Of course I have to mention because I have to find the value of x. So we have to make an equation. 3x plus 2x is equal to 5x. 5x plus 43 degree is equal to 180. Now 5x is equal to 180 minus 43, because we are transposing it. We have already learned in our previous session. So 5x will be equal to 137. Therefore my child, x will be equal to 137 by 5. So 5, 2 times 10, 35. How much? 5, 2 times 10, 5 7s are 35, 5 4 times. So 27.4 degree. Now 27.4 degree. Now 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Therefore 0.4 degree will be equal to 0.4 into 60 will be equal to 24 minutes. So this 27.4 degree, my boy and my girls, we can write it as 27 degree. I have converted this 0.4 to minutes. So 27 degree, 24 minute. I hope this is loud and clear. Few more sums and then naturally you will go to play. Okay. If two complementary angles are in ratio 1:5, we have already solved different varieties of sum in a ratio and proportion, isn't it? In a ratio. Please go back to the previous video. If two complementary angles are in ratio 1:5, so they have given you a ratio, this is our solution, ratio of two angles is equal to 1:5. Therefore, sum of two angles, not therefore, and we know that sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree. Why? Because they are complementary angles. Therefore, sum of these two angles will be equal to 90 degree. So, how to solve? Sum of the ratio is equal to 1 plus 5 will be equal to 6. Therefore, just remember, how do we find the first angle? We find the first angle in this way. A ratio by sum of angles multiplied by total value. Therefore, first angle will be equal to, ratio is 1, sum of angles is equal to sum of ratio, not sum of angle, sum of ratio. No? Sum of ratio 1 by 6 into total value is 90 degree. Therefore, let's cancel, isn't it? 6, 1 times 6, 5 times is equal to 15 degree. We got the value. Now, how to find the second angle? So, second angle you can simply subtract it from 90 degree, or you can carry the same process. 5 by 6 into 90. You already know that 15 times 15 5s are 75 degree. Therefore, 75 degree plus 15 degree is equal to 90 degree. We are not wrong, isn't it? Now, let's turn on to question number 16. What happened? Why is it not turning? Okay. Sometimes it so happens, okay, problem will occur in life, whether it is study or something else. If two supplementary angles, this time they have given you supplementary angles, are in ratio 2:7. Therefore, once again, ratio of angles is equal to 2:7. Sum of the ratio we will delete later on. First, let us find out sum of the angles is given how much? Is equal to 180 degrees. So this means they have given you the value of these two angles, sum of these two angles as 180 degree. Now, let us solve, and our solution now, actual solution starts from here, but actual solution starts from here, that sum of the ratio is equal to 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. And how do we find the first angle? First angle will be equal to 2 by total, sum of the ratio multiplied by the total value given. So 9 two times is equal to 40 degree, while your second angle will be equal to how much? Second angle was 7, the ratio was 7, and the sum of the ratio was 9 into 180 degree. 9 two times 180 degree, 20 times 180. Therefore, 7 into 20 is equal to 100. 7 twos are 14. 140 degree. Just see, 140 plus 40 will be equal to how much? So 140 the second angle, and 40 the first angle is equal to 180. So we are right. Three angles which add up to 180 degree. Okay, this time they have given you three angles, and they have also given you that they are supplementary. This means ratio of angles is equal to 2:3:7. Sum of the angles. So sum of the angles is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 7 is equal to 12. Okay. Therefore, sum of the ratio ratio is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 7 is equal to 12. And how much they have given you? Sum of the angles. So my dear, sum of the angles is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, my first angle will be equal to 2 by 12 into 180 degree. So 2 how many times? 2 1 times 5 times is equal to 30 degree. And what about the second angle? So the second angle will be 3 by 12 into 180 degree. 12 15 times is equal to 45 degree, while your third angle you can find it out by adding these two values and subtracting it from 180, or you can directly find the value as 7 by 12 into 180 degree. 12 15 times is equal to 15 sevens are 105 degree. This means that if the ratio is given, you can easily find out these values. 20% of an angle is the supplement of 60 degree. So 20% of an angle, we are solving it. So 20% of an angle is the supplement of 60 degree. Do you know the value of this angle? No. So I'll put the value of this angle as x. So 20 will be equal to 20% means 20 by 100%, means out of 100. So 20% means out of 100. So 20 by 100 of the angle as x, so is equal to how much? Let us solve it. 2 1 times and 2 5 times. Okay, if we cancel it with a different pen, naturally it looks quite good. Is equal to x by 5. X by 5 is 20% of the angle. Now 20% of the angle is supplement of 60 degree. 20% of angle is supplement of 60 degree. This means 20% of angle x by 5 is the supplement of 60 degree, means on adding 60 degree over here we will get 180 degree. Is it clear? Very, very clear. Now let us solve. Now we have done 90% of our task. X by 5 will be equal to 180 minus 60 is equal to 120. This means x by 5 is equal to 120 degree. Therefore x is equal to 120. When we cross multiply it, x into 1 is equal to x. 5 into 120 is equal to 120 into 5 will be equal to how much? 12 5s are 60, 600 degree. Clear? Now the last one, therefore you people needn't to worry about. Okay, 10% of x degree, isn't it? 10% of x degree is complement of 40% of 2x degree. Now according to question, 10%, because 10% means out of 100 of x degree is complement of 40% of 2x. 40% of 2x. This means since they are complement, naturally this sum will be equal to 90 degree because they are complement. Therefore this sum should be equal to 90 degree. Let's solve. 0 0 cancels, 0 0 cancels. Therefore have a look. X by 10 plus 4 2s are 8x by 10 is equal to 90. See, I didn't cancel. Why? Because I found that if both of them will have the same denominator, my task will become easier. So you should also think the same. 10. So x plus 8x is equal to 90. 9x, why not to solve it? Lots of spaces over here. 9x by 10 is equal to 90. What do we do at the end? When we have two ratios, we do cross multiplication. So 9x into 1 is equal to 9x will be equal to 90 into 10, 900. Therefore, the value of x will be equal to 900 divided by 9, and 9 1 times. Okay. So x is equal to 100 degree. Okay. Thank you, my child, and be in touch always by subscribing it.